Hey guys, how are you? I hope you guys are well. In this video we're gonna show you how you can delete a undeletable file permanently from your Windows 10 PC. So as you can see, here is in my desktop, here is a folder. If I want to delete it, then as you can see, this is could not find the system. This is no longer located in this system, so it is not deleting. So now we are going to show you how you can delete it. So first of all, then open cmd command prompt, then write here cd space /d space location. So where you will get the location, so go to the folder and go to the properties of the folder. As you can see, here is the location. Copy this location. Okay, and open cmd again. So paste the location here. Okay, so we are we write the first command, and now we are going to read the second command. The second command is dir space /x and hit enter. Okay. Okay, as you can see, here is a dir. How do you want it? This is a folder you want to I want to delete. So for deleting this folder, write rmdir space /q/s and the dirname. Dirname is, this is the dirname. Ctrl C and paste. So if I hit enter now, the folder will be deleted. Okay, as you can see, the folder is no longer here in my desktop. So this is so easy process. So I hope it will help you delete an undeletable file from your Windows. So thank you. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the update of my channel.